How to fix Windows/Mac time is wrong issue. For Windows users, 1. Check your time zone. 2. Check if Windows time service is disabled. 3. Switch the internet time server. 4. Run the following commands as admin. netstop w32time w32tm/unregister w32tm/register netstart w32time w32tm/resync/noid5. Remove and replace the CMOS battery. 6. Scan and remove potential viruses or malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. For Mac OS viewers, 1. Set date and time automatically. 2. Enable the set time zone automatically using current location in the time zone.